Addition ta ha. 4 plus 1.
Equals 5.
Sige. Write 5 in the blank. Next. 3 plus 1.
Equals 4.
Okay, very good.
Gano'n ko. Thinking ko.
Sige, very good, very good.
Ay!
4. Write 4 in the blank.
Ay! Ay! What's the 4? May cost na lang ko, ma.
Sige. Next, 2 plus 2 equals
4. Ano? Second. Count up. 1, 2, 1.
2 plus 2. I-add.
Ako count. 1, 2, 3,
2 og 2. I-add.
1.
Dili, 1. 2 plus 2.
Ano sa
2 og 2.
4?
Count.
4.
Okay, very good. Write 4. Next, 5 plus 5. 5 and 5. I-add.
6.
No.
Ako count.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, another 5. 5 naman to, isumpay. 5, 6.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, what's the answer?
10.
Okay. Write 10 on the blank. 3 plus 3.
Equals
3 and 3.
wala ni equals.
Sige.
Equals. Wala ni equals.
Ang butang ito equals din. Okay. 3 plus 3 equals 3 and 3. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.
Dili. 3 and 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Next, 3. Another 3. 3 naman to.
1, 2, 3.
4. Another 3.
4.
Ano oh? 3 and 3. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mamaw na siya, answer. Sige. 4 plus 4.
Equals
Nya, 4. Nya, add pa jud kag 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nya, 4. Sumpay. 4. 5.
Ako sa
4.
4,
5.
6,
Oh.
7, 8. 8.
8 ang answer.